Yo, what's up everyone? This is your boy Sane from Sane Fitness. It's me, Esteban. Now today, before we get this video started, I just want to talk about a few things. Believe me or not when I say this, that you could be unhealthy and be fit, or you could be healthy and be unfit. Well, what I mean is be fat or obese. If you don't watch out what you eat, like I said in my previous videos, if you want to go check it out, go ahead and go through my videos, or I'll put the link down below so you guys can watch it. It's all about calories and telling you guys that if you guys don't watch out what you pour into your meals, if you think that you're just by eating healthy that you're going to be slim, six-pack abs, you're totally wrong. It's all about calories and knowing how much calories you're eating at the end of the day. We'll save that for another day, another video. There's also 3 different types of bodies. There's ectomorphs, mesomorphs, and endomorphs. Ectomorphs being the most difficult individual person to be able to put on muscle, which is me. Now there's also skinny fat, and ectomorphs who have and carry weight but only on their gut. Now it is hard to put on muscle, but we also carry belly fat. Mesomorphs have an easier upper hand than ectomorphs. They're allowed to, or easier to lose weight, and then they also could put on muscle with no problem. Endomorphs on the other hand have a hard time losing weight, but they also carry that mass already with them, so they'll already look good just by losing weight. So but for that, we'll save all that for another video. I'll go ahead and go over in more detail about what's what. And but now I'm just gonna go ahead and get this video started. I'm gonna show you how to work out and demonstrate certain variations of your bicep, and just go ahead and stay tuned. I'll show you guys right now. Alright everyone, so at this point where I'm going to show you guys today how to do a bicep curl and how to work out your whole entire arm. Today we're not going to show the tricep, but this is exactly what I'm going to show you. But let's just say you're at the gym and you're using free weights. And I know there's different ways to work out your biceps, but let's pretend that at the moment we're lifting up something heavy. The proper way to do a bicep curl is there's 2 ways. Now some people do it like this. Some people come and raise it up straight like this, which is fine. But in order to get the more high volume and more definition out of your bicep is to, when you, instead of coming up like that straight, the easier and better way is to curl your arm and bend it towards your chest. That is the proper way. So we're gonna go ahead and do 10 of these just to demonstrate how I do it, okay? So look at this carefully. In, down, and control it on the way down. So you raise it up and don't just drop it down like that. Do not do that. Now you're not getting the negative contraction or the burn, the negative, but you're also losing a half of motion in the bicep curl of your rep. So if you do it a negative, actually it will help you out. So look at it carefully. Go up and control it down. Up, control it down. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll just stop there, but you get my point. So that's how you do and work out your bicep. Like I said, there's many variations of ways to do it, but that's one of them that I do want to show you. Now let's go ahead and do a hammer curl. Now this is a resistance bands again. It's a little different and it is a little shaky because this is a resistance bands. It's not the same exact way as a free weight, like a dumbbell. But let's just say I have a dumbbell in my hand right now. It's almost the same exact way. Instead of, you're not gonna go like this. Now some people when you use the ropes, they go like out like this or in, but it's kind of like that. You're gonna go inward. You're gonna work out the outer part of your bicep, the long head bicep. So you're gonna go in like that and in and negative. Control it on the way down. Up, control it down. Up, control it down. One more. Up, control it down. So I don't have to burn out one arm and one arm being bigger than another one. We're gonna go ahead and switch over to the other arm. And the next thing I want to show you for today is the forearm. How to work out your forearm with free weights or cables. Pretend there's a cable at your gym or a free weight. the way I do it, let's pretend you have the bar. You know when you're standing at the gym and you're going like this, and it works out your forearm? We're gonna do the same exact thing, but with single arm with the resistance bands. So pretend I have the bar, the metal bar right here, and I'm just gonna curl up like this. 1, and look, I'm only bending, I'm not raising my arm like this, or swinging my body up and down. Everything I have done right now to this point, I have not swung my body around. I'm only using my bicep, my muscle, and bending my elbow. Same thing with the forearm. You go up, down. Remember the negative, positive, negative. That's what it is. Positive and negative. Right now it's not that heavy. That's why it doesn't look like I'm struggling, but stop right there in the middle. I was going a little too high up. You see how like I'm shaking because there's a lot of resistance, and you go back down. And again, down. So that's why that's how you do it. So those 3 workouts I just showed you, you work out your bicep, the side long head muscle of the bicep. Because if you're only doing biceps, if you're only working out your bicep like that, later on down the road, when people see you from the side, all this is going to be flat, and then when you're like this, you're only going to have a good muscle definition right here in the front, and then right here is going to be all flat. So in order to get the 360-degree look, you have to work out every angle of a muscle, every specific angle. Get rid of those. Right, everyone, so remember like what I just said. If you guys want to go back to this video, or you want to watch some previous videos I have that will teach you some new stuff that you guys haven't known about yet, go ahead and check them out. I'll put the link below. And for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video. I'll see you guys soon. Maybe we could talk about how to do like the tricep workouts, maybe the chest, or I'll mention something new. But for now, I'm gonna end the video. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.